Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to show you how you can disable or enable IPv6 IP version 6 on your computer, on your client machine or server. So I will show you step by step. So you need to press window R key on your computer, means you need to open run menu and type here ncpa.cpl ncpa.cpl and click OK. Once you will click OK, your computer network properties will be opened, and here few network adapters will be available. So the network adapter which is enabled, you need to select that enabled network adapter and go to the properties. Once you will go to the properties, you can see the option which is internet protocol version TCP IPv6. So here it is disabled, the check mark box is unselected, it's not selected. That means the IP version 6 is disabled on this computer. If you need to enable this, just you need to select this option, internet protocol version TCP IPv6, click OK. Or if it is already enabled and if you want to disable it, just you need to uncheck this and click OK. So here I'm going to enable, so just I selected this option and click OK. If you need to verify it again, just go to the properties and you can see here internet protocol version TCP IPv6 checkbox is selected, it's marked. That means on this computer IPv6 is enabled, and if you want to disable, already as I explained, just need to unselect this, just need to uncheck this box, then it will be disabled. So in this way you can disable or enable IPv6 IP version 6 on your computer, on your client machine or server. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I will request you to please like, share with your friends, and for new upcoming videos don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank